YouTube, hey, when you come into my stream, check your viewer points. You have the opportunity to buy certain packages and interact with me during my stream. Well, today in this video, my buddy, he went through, bought a sound package, takes all my sound away. So I could talk to him, but I had no game sound. No footsteps, no boxes, no nothing. So I'm using Type 100, 15 minutes, no sound, Type 100, class setup at the end of the video. Check it out. What the fuck was that? Get the fuck out of here, dude! Fuck out of here, dude. That is dope. You know what's funny? Now I have to look to see what that is. Play first 15 minutes, no sound. Oh, damn. This is funny. Hold on. I'll wait till the game starts. How do I start it? How do I start the timer? Oh, and then I just hit start? Oh, duh. Fucking backed out of it.
Have fun with this bitch.
Yeah. This game right here. Yep. That'll probably be the duration of this match.
Probably.
Are we getting that? Okay, so let me know if you hear people.
You're gonna get surprised like a
I know. I just realized something though. I gotta mute it on stream.
There's a guy in ammo room.
Is that down?
Yeah. I killed his teammate up here.
That's funny, you killed somebody, I didn't. That's so crazy!
I teamed with him.
You must have done that while I was shutting the fucking sound off on this. What I'll do is I'll play
Are
Shadow.
you just gonna follow me now?
I'll play Shadow, that way like, I have a chance. My fucking clicks.
Yeah, cause you can't hear boxes or anything.
No! Like I'd have to go to like where I normally think boxes are and just look.
Yeah.
Definitely hinders the fucking game, dude.
I'm gonna go up and try to fucking get the supply run.
Oh, guy!
Oh.
I just saw him.
Supply run died.
He took off running. He's down inside now. It's gonna be interesting. All I gotta do is follow you.
Oh, right there. Right there.
I hit him a couple times.
He was fucking... Alright, good shit. Where's me?
It wouldn't let me. Yeah, I got one kill with no sound. Woo! That's crazy. Oh shit, the gas was fast! Damn. Still have Googe? No. Is that the end of the game?
No.
Oh, okay, we got Gulag. Okay, cool. I thought it was the end. I was gonna pause it because it didn't last the amount of the game. I was gonna pause the time. Get him? Hell yeah.
Oh, dude, you ain't even gonna make it out of the Google.
I know. I'm just gonna stay in my spawn.
I'm just gonna grab this shit now.
Yo! I almost fell. I was so excited I fucking like kicked and then my chair almost went back, dude. I almost died.
I got people on me.
Coming down. But I have a PPSH. I can.
What the fuck is that? Oh, here, let's make our way to the buy.
Smoke grenade. Oh, they got a fucking loadout up here.
You can get a self.
There's no selves.
To buy. Yeah, I just bought one.
What? I thought there was no self-res. Oh, there's no automatic self-res. That's what it was. Okay.
Oh, maybe you can't. It's 2,500 still. Dude, where's all the fucking plates?
I don't know, I only have 2.
Literally cannot find a fucking plate. saved my
How much
life.
is the play box? I got 1,500.
I don't know. Go check the.
None. I can't buy shit.
You have 1,500.
I can't buy anything. It doesn't, I can't afford anything. I'll replace it $2 grand. What are you talking about?
Oh, and I laid down and it just fucking got me killed. Or saved this dude's life.
The fuck am I? Oh, okay.
Guy landing over here. Ooh, guy right here too.
I am deaf as shit. This is insane.
I
Oh,
got
I'm getting
shot from
shot
the
at.
too.
Yep. Can't believe I'm still alive.
Give me that fucking gun.
I got out of there.
The guy rotated up behind us.
Trying to go this way. I don't know. Trying to find fucking plates now. Oh, the gas! I hope you kill that guy because I don't know what the fuck is going on.
I didn't. But I got a gas mask himself, so.
I am waiting to see him.
Oh, behind me. Where the fuck did he come from? Oh, he was just laying down right there. What a bitch.
Fuck did he go? Ha! What the fuck? Damn. I got out of the gulag.